Hello, today we're going to be looking at the HoloSphere VMT application. The HoloSphere VMT application facilitates the creation and closure of trouble tickets from VMTurbo problems. As you can see from the illustration, VMTurbo problems are forwarded through to the HoloSphere VMT gateway, where they're normalized, and in the case of VMTurbo, a back call is made to the VMTurbo appliance to pull back the recommendations for the problems that are not sent in the original transmission. The VMT gateway then forwards those problems through to HoloSphere, where they're databased. And depending upon configuration, those problems can be auto-ticketed into the service desk or manually ticketed. A UI is provided to facilitate the manual creation of tickets and viewing of tickets and configuration of the HoloSphere application. So let's go and have a look and see this in action. Okay, so here we have the VMTurbo UI and we have a number of problems. Let's go and have a look at the HoloSphere UI. We can see these problems are reflected in the HoloSphere UI. In this case, we're looking at integration into the ServiceNow desk. As you can see at the bottom, we have a physical machine problem, ID 180, ready queue congestion. This is of severity major, and it's been auto-ticketed, so there's been no manual intervention here. The tickets, or rather the problems with severity minor here, are configured to be manually ticketed. If I select one of those problems and say Open New Ticket, click on the pop-up to confirm that, then this will go off to the ServiceNow desk and create a ticket and return in the ticket details the ticket number. There we go, ServiceNow ticket number 97. We can go and view that ticket. This will open a new tab, and as long as I'm logged into the ServiceNow application, will position me at that ticket. There we can see test 97, caller Joe employee, category network, impact urgency medium. These are all configurable. If we look here at the description, we can see the problem descriptions, and at the bottom we can see the recommendations for resolving that problem. Let's go back to HoloSphere. We can close that ticket from here. There we go, that ticket is now closed. Okay, I spoke before about manual and auto ticketing. Let's go and see how this is configured. So under the configuration tab, we have ticketing rules. We have a number of sub-tabs under here. Manual ticketing and automatic ticketing is the tabs that we're going to be looking at now. In the manual ticketing, you can see that the rule has been configured so that any problem that is active and has severity text minor will be manually ticketed only. If we flip to the automatic ticketing tab, we can see that those problems that are active and have severity text of major or critical will be automatically ticketed. These are configurable in your environments. So just looking back at this HoloSphere UI, we can see that problem 180, which was the major severity, was auto-ticketed, whereas the other problems, which are all of minor severity, can only be manually ticketed.